Hello, this is Bwana from Bwana.tv, and today I'm going to be reviewing another application for the Android platform. This application is actually called StreamFurious, and it's a mobile internet radio streaming application, which I'm a big fan of. I use Tuner on the iPhone just for this purpose. So let's talk about StreamFurious, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the icon first. This is over here, and you can't, or StreamFurious, I'm sorry, I got the name wrong. StreamFurious, and it is a great application. It's absolutely free. See the icon? It's got little lines coming out. I really can't make out what they are. So I'm gonna launch it, and it immediately gives you a list of radio stations for which you can launch the ones that are already there. These are previous ones I've listened to, as well as some presets that they have. But you know, I got twit.am, which is This Week in Text radio, and you just select one to play. And it starts it, tells you down here that it's starting to stream. It says preparing.
And satellite data gives. That was actually quite controversial. I think the
controversy. So I got streaming radio, but check this out. I can actually go home and do other things while that's working. I can go to the browser, listen to streaming radio while I work on the Android. This is very, very cool. So I'm on Google right now, but I can go to different sites if I want to. Let's go to my bookmarks here. La la la, I'm listening to Twit, and I'm going to friend feed. Dooby dooby doo. This is something that, like I said, I'm doing these reviews coming from the iPhone's point of view. It's one thing that the iPhone severely lacks is background applications. And streaming radio is one of those things that you want to have running in the background, so that's why I really, really like this application. So you can see right here, if I bring down a notification window, it shows me the twit.am is playing in StreamFurious. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and it takes me back to the application. Absolutely free. Very, very simple. It's got a bunch of stations here. Here's the BBC. I started playing that one earlier, and it took a while to get started, so I'm not going to show it to you right now. But I can go to some music if I want. I can look at, let's see, there's college, indie, alt, decades. And if you're familiar with streaming radio, you know that there's a ton of things out there. Here, I can go to more stations. And I can use the shoutcast.com to find stations, and it gives you instructions here. You can go to shoutcast.com to find stations, and then click tune in. So what it does is that it takes you to the browser. You go to shoutcast.com in the browser, and that's what it's doing right now. It's taking me to the browser, and find any radio station there. Any radio station there, and click tune in, and it automatically associates that tune in link with StreamFurious. So that's a good way of finding streaming stations. And you can see that's a new tweet, that sound, by the way. And here's the little tune in links that they're talking about. Those are these yellow links over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and exit this and go back to that application, and I can stop playing that if I want. So as you can see, StreamFurious is a great way to get good internet radio, and a lot of people are doing streaming internet along with live streaming video, like Leo Laporte. He does it with twit.am. And you can also listen to radio stations, music stations, and church stuff, ministry stuff. Anything that has streaming radio capability, you can do it right here on your Android phone while you're working, while you're doing anything, because it runs in the background. Very, very cool. StreamFurious is available on the Android marketplace. Just search for StreamFurious and it'll pop right up. Absolutely free. Alright, this is Bwana from Bwana.tv. This is StreamFurious for the Android platform. Take care.